This 97 SL500 has a bit of a top end tick. The most common cause on these is the oil feeder tube, so the hydraulic tappet's getting a little bit blocked. Let's give the car to Matt. He's going to go ahead and get this fixed.
I've just got the camshaft bearing caps off. That gives us access to these oil feeders and they should just pop out. There you go. I'll spray the brake cleaner through it. We found one a bit worse than that. This is what a good one should be, an infill there. And this one is missing. Where it's blocked, it's over pressurised and blown apart. So now I've got all the feeders cleaned. We're going to replace that broken one. Luckily we've got one in stock. Let's get these fitted. Just going to do these bolts up. 10 Newton meters they need to be torqued to. That's Mercedes spec. Got the new valve cover seals on there. We've done an engine service. Let's get this started. Sounds good so far? That's sounding much better.